What's good? What's good? Welcome back to fucking low battery. Am I gonna make it? To invest and trade with Jack, gonna go over Gala Games. Our trade exploded. We're up 44%. My signals are $10 a month. Here's our last 2 weeks results of trades on the screen. You can sign up through the Patreon link. We're sitting at 0.03286. We're up 8% on the day. See market cap 913 million. 24-hour volume 206 million. So as you can see, we exploded to the upside. So I would assume that we're pushing up in the wave 5. I do think it will push higher, potentially up to 0.03619. Before potentially seeing a pullback. As of right now, Gala is pushing higher than the rest of the market. Maybe it's on some news. I just quickly want to get out this analysis. So as you can see with one of our swing trades, we absolutely exploded through TP1, and currently we're up about 44% from our entry, a juicy 44%. So if you invested 1K into that trade, that's an easy $440, and we haven't even hit TP2, TP3, TP4. So this is what I'm looking at. We had the wave 2 pullback. We had the bullish cross on the daily. We held it, and we're just exploding to the upside. We can go parabolic. Anything can happen. But this wave count, as of right now, I would expect it to push a little bit higher in a wave 5 to complete the 1, pull back in a 2, and then push up, see continuation to the upside. I'm going to have to cut this video short because my camera's going to die. My signals are $10 a month, guys. We're absolutely crushing it. You can see the results on the screen. Sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. If you sign up through my link, you get 10% rebate on your fees, which means you get 10% back every time you make a trade. And my signals are $10 a month, guys. We just locked in. Hit TP1 on Gala. We're in multiple trades that are in profits. Crypto analysis, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex trades. I'm giving 5, 10 signals in Forex every single day. You really can't beat it, guys. It's the best $10 you'll ever spend. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Much love. See you in the next one. All right, peace.